How would you react and what would you do if you were driving down the road and you saw a woman you didn't know being violently attacked and repeatedly stabbed by another man? Well, this is what happened to a man referred to only as Ibrahim in an article released by The Times today. And in a moment, I'm going to play for you the press release by Ibrahim's lawyer. But first, a few more of the details. So The Times reports that a man known as McCaskey was briefly married to his victim, the lady he was attacking. He stabbed her up to 10 times and she subsequently died of her injuries. Ibrahim had been driving to work at the time and saw the attack taking place. He decided to intervene. He stopped his car, he got out, he shouted at McCaskey to get him to stop, but that had no effect. He got back into his car, locked the doors and allegedly drove at McCaskey, pinning him to the wall and subsequently killing him. The police arrived on the scene and arrested Ibrahim, who now fears that he will be prosecuted. In the statement that I'll show you in a moment from his lawyer, he said, "I've never been arrested before in my life. I witnessed a man repeatedly stabbing a defenseless woman on the pavement a short distance from my car. My instant thought was to protect the woman who'd been stabbed and the public who were also being threatened. The vehicles ahead of me moved off, giving me the opportunity to intervene. I drove my vehicle into the attacker in order to get him away from the woman he was attacking." And so there is now a petition on change.org to demand that Ibrahim does not face prosecution, much less murder charges, for intervening to protect this woman, even though he was unsuccessful and she sadly died of her injuries. So please do watch this press release from Ibrahim's lawyer and let me know what you think in the comments. And also the link to the petition is in the description below. Thank you for watching.
Press release, 26th of January 2022. My name is Ibrahim. I'm a Muslim man. My full name is known to my solicitors and to the Metropolitan Police. I'm aware of newspaper accounts concerning the murder of Yasmin Wafa Chakafi on Monday the 24th of January 2022. I can confirm that I am the person identified as the driver of the blue Renault Clio relating to those events. I've asked my solicitor, Mr. Akunji, to convey the following public statement on my behalf. I'm a person of good character. I've never been arrested before in my life. This Monday past, I was making my way to work and was waiting in traffic on the Chippenham Road in West London at approximately 9 a.m. I witnessed a man repeatedly stabbing a defenseless woman on the pavement a short distance in front of my car. Members of the public were attempting to intervene. The attacker was wielding a knife and was threatening those brave citizens too. My instant thought was to protect the woman who had been stabbed and the public who were also being threatened. The vehicles ahead of me moved off, which gave me the opportunity to intervene. I drove my vehicle towards the attacker in order to get him away from the woman he was attacking. I did not intend to harm the attacker. I only intended to protect those being attacked. My vehicle struck the attacker and he was taken under my car, causing it to stall. I could not reverse my car to free him. I and the other passers-by attempted to lift the car away from the attacker so we could provide the man with first aid. Unfortunately, we were unsuccessful in this. I have since learnt that both the young lady and her attacker have died.